Okay, so we're going to do an oil change on a 2009 Honda CHF50 Metropolitan scooter. Get your owner's manual, and on page 96 you will find a brief outline of the manufacturer helping you to get set up for the oil change. As you can see here, I put down some construction or contact paper over the asphalt pavement so as not to stain the asphalt or the pavement should I spill, which I actually did. Royally. Okay, so to get started, what you're going to need is a 17mm wrench, open or closed in either. A set of gloves is good to have, a funnel, some motorcycle oil, in this case 10W40, and a 20-ounce container with a lid. Had it recording that whole time. Great. Wonderful. Black gold everywhere. It's a good idea to wait a little while to let all of the oil drain out of the motor. After you're done, get the bolt, make sure it's threaded right, take your time. Once you get it properly threaded and seated back onto the engine block, take your wrench, snug but do not over tighten because you do not want to strip it. Once you've snugged the bolt back in place, take your dipstick, remove it, get your funnel, place it in the hole where the engine block is, and then get your motor oil, and then put your motor oil in. Now it's a good idea, if you're not familiar, you want to pre-measure 19.2 fluid ounces of motor oil for the Honda Metropolitan CHF50 scooter. Okay, so after you're done, it's a good idea to start it up. Make sure that there's no leaks. You can see I made a mess before here, and you can take a look at the drain bolt and just make sure nothing's coming out. Right there, and everything looks tight. Pretty good. And I can see I got some oil on my tires, so I'm going to have to make sure that that comes off. No? I guess the jury, you know what, I really wish they had retained the color from last year